Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Volkswagen Jetta MK3 and this is by Hot Wheels from their Silver Series, and this is more okay. So this is more specifically based on Fast and the Furious movie franchise, and this is from their 25th anniversary edition of the movie, not Hot Wheels. So with that said, I bought it for MRP, which is $299. So let's unbox this. So here is the card art. The card art looks really nice. So let me just put this aside and we will talk about the casting now. Wow, it does feel really heavy. So out of the box, the casting looks absolutely awesome. The livery looks really nice. Honestly, for once, Hot Wheels is doing a really great job with this particular series. I mean, I don't see any issue with the livery on this side. Let's look at this side. Oh, it is really good, and it has headlight details. You can see the Volkswagen logo here. Okay, they print in that particular way. That's their way of doing the paint job. But at least they did it really good this time, and it has taillight detail as well. You can see the Volkswagen logo here, and the Jetta name badge here, the sponsors here. Everything looks really nice, and so the body is fully metal, including the spoiler, and the chassis is plastic, but it looks really awesome. I mean, given that it's a pure white color, the interior also looks really nice. Even though the steering wheel is just a cylindrical, I mean, like circular block, it has a roll cage that looks really nice. Rest everything is really good. You can see the numbering also here. Okay, my only nitpick on these castings are in the wheels. They could have just given something really cool. They do have this cooler wheel sets. I don't know why they are not using for these kind of castings. They could have done that, because end of the day, this is not accurate to movie or anything. They are just doing it on their own. So they could have just given something really cool, because it is based on a really cool movie. I mean, they missed that particular window, if I if I want to say. Okay, it weighs 38 grams, just 1 gram less than that Celica, but it doesn't. Honestly, when I'm holding it with the blister, that one looked really heavy. I mean, felt really heavy. It does have wiper detailing here. I missed to show that. The hood detail also looks really nice. It has a very subtle bump, you can see. Okay, so with that said, okay, one thing is it doesn't have any chassis detailing, but it does have this exhaust detailing here, you can see. Okay, let's do a roll test now. This also rolls really good. Okay, the rear wheel wobbles a lot. It actually makes the casting, I mean, like, roll a little bit. I mean, roll in the sense, in technical terms I'm talking about. This is rolling, this is pitching. So, but it rolls, I mean, it rolls like this really well. So I don't see any issue with that as well. So with that said, let's do the rating now. Again, a 10 out of 10, I don't see any issues with it. Again, this scratches here, this is specific to mine. It always happens to me, so don't mind about yours might not have it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.